Hey, welcome back again here. We're going to take a look at a notebook or a video on like terms and combining like terms, but we're first going to start off with a review on writing expressions here with values. Okay, so take a look at this, pause this, take a look at 1 through 6. We're going to be working on page 69 out of your record journal, and you can find a spot on your notebook to write down some of these answers here. Pause and take a look. All right. So we have 7 increased by a number. 7 increased. Increased meaning addition by a number x. So 7 plus x. Negative 14 minus y. That one kind of writes itself. Negative 19 increased by n. So increased again is addition. The product. Product means the answer to a multiplication product. Or problem. 14 and y, so 14y. 10 divided by the sum of a number n and 6. We've got a lot going on here. Okay, we have a sum of a number n and 6, so that's going to look at n plus 6. But 10 is going to be divided by that, so you're going to have 10 divided by n plus 6. 6 times the quotient of a number x and 3. So you're going to have a quotient first, 6, then times quotient of n or x divided by 3. Great. Today we're going to be looking at how we can simplify algebraic expressions. And when we simplify algebraic expressions, we're going to maybe take a look at how simplifying is going to be nice here. So you're going to take a look. We have 2 columns here, or 2 charts here on page 69 out of your record journal. And I want you to evaluate these expressions when x is 0. Find an answer, and when x is 1. So for example, if you take a look at column 1 here for the expression, if I have 3, I'm looking at x is 0, 3 times 0 plus 2 minus 0 plus 4. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2, minus 0, 2, plus 4, 6. So our value here when x is 0 is 6. If I did the same thing with our value being 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2, minus 1, plus 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8. So when we look at it in terms of that, remember that you need to follow the order of operations. You might see that in this problem as well, when you have that grouping symbol of x minus 3. Take a look at the chart, pause here. You're also going to take a look over on this side of the equation here, or this side of the page, and complete that one as well. Pause and take a look. Okay, now when you take a look, you're going to get some answers. Hopefully we're going to be able to get those answers. Maybe we're not. It doesn't look like it's interactive. That's too bad. Okay. What you're going to notice is that the columns over here are going to actually match the columns over here simplified. Okay. They're going to match over here simplified. So that's what we're going to work on, is following some algebraic expressions and simplifying, combining like terms, seeing what we can combine, what we can do with combining like terms. Like terms are things that are looking similar or alike. If you have an x and you have another x, you can combine them. If I have 1x and another 1x, I can combine them to make 2 x's. Okay, similarly, if I have 3 x's plus another 2 x's, I'm going to have a total of 5 x's. Okay, so we still need to follow our steps as far as order of operations is concerned. And then as we continue, you're going to take a look at this. The steps here is on page 70. And some examples there that you're going to provide. I have another video that I'm going to have you take a look at. It's a quick 1-minute video talking about combining like terms. Okay, this will help go through that right now. So pause this video, go to the combining like terms video. We might have be able to answer some of those questions here too. Okay, so let's take a look at our simplifying expressions here. This is not in your record journal, but let's take a look at it anyway. If I have 10x's and I add 4x's, 10x's plus 4x's is going to be 14x's. Notice here, I don't have any other like terms like 7y. So 7y is going to stay by itself, but I can combine these constant terms, 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15 is negative 3. So it's going to either be 7y minus 3 or 7y plus a negative 3. Number 3, I can combine 6x minus 4x. 6x take away 4x's would be 2x plus 16. Okay, I can combine my y's here, 3.8y or 3 8/10 y plus 7.2 or 7 2/10 y. Because they are adding here, they're both positive, I'm going to have 11y minus 4. And we'll stop here with 5. If I have 11x and I take away 1x, I'm going to have 10x's plus 15.4, or 15 and 4. I'm sorry, minus 15 and 4. That's not correct. Board's wrong. This should be plus 15.4. Because we're moving things around here, we're going to add the opposite here. These are both positive. Okay. This is positive. This is positive. We're going to have a positive 15.4. Okay. So take a look at these on your own. You'll notice that we have some different types of expressions here, including z squareds. Is a z squared the same as a z? That's the question. Take a look, and we'll get your answers in a second. Pause. In order to move things around, we need to have all addition. So let's get all addition. I'm going to have add an opposite here, add the opposite here. I have 9x plus a negative 1x. I'm going to have 8x. Negative 2 plus 7 plus 5. Over here, I'm going to have 1z squared minus 3z squareds, or negative 3z squared. I'm going to end up with negative 2z squared. 1z down here and 5z's here is going to make 6z. Okay. Now we have simplifying the expression. We have it as a distributive property, so take a look at the distributive property. You may not remember or may not know too much about it, but it's basically saying that there's a multiplication symbol here, and we're going to multiply 3 in q and 3 in 1. The net minus 4 is not inside the parentheses, so we're not going to have to multiply this by that. Okay. All right, that's what we've got for today. Good luck. Like I said, there is another video talking about combining like terms and identifying like terms that will be uploaded to your Schoology account as well. Have a good week. Have a good day. Thanks.